excitement.
Greenlight! More Greenlight! I'm going to do another unboxing video today. It's Greenlight SD Trucks Series 12. The SD Truck Series has brought us some very affordable, heavy Class 8 trucks like the Mack Anthem, Mack Granite, and International WorkStar. They even brought us the first 1/64th scale front-load garbage truck. Too bad they didn't go on and put waste management logos on it. But, like I have been saying for years about Greenlight, just wait for it. So, let's go on and see what's inside of SD Trucks Series 12. Oh, before we go, please smash that like button and subscribe. Also, I've got these trucks for sale while supplies last on my website, gltrucks.com. Get one today for your collection. And this is Greenlight's SD Trucks Series 12. It's a sealed inner pack. Now, there's only 3 pieces in this set, but if you'll see, the box says quantity of 6. That's because on all of these sets of 3, they actually put 2 sets per inner pack. So, let's go on and open it up and see if we are going to get us a green machine in this set. It would be really cool to get a green machine. I don't look for it, but you never know. They do put quite a few green machines out, so let's just go on and see what we got. There we go, 2 sets, and they're sorted very well. Also, you can see they put the tissue paper in between them. And there's 2 sets in there, 2 of each vehicle. First vehicle is there, the International WorkStar, and there's 2 of them. I'm just going to go on and, well, I might as well get them all out and see if we got a green machine. No green machine there. The first waste management. Doesn't look like a green machine in that one. Again, not a green machine. Oh well. Looks like we're not going to get one. Got 2 left. Nope, not a green machine there. And what about this very last piece? Again, not a green machine. Now, as you can see, I've got all 6 pieces out. They're stacked 2 deep because there's only 3 in the set, but there's 6 in the box. And I'm just going to talk about 1. Also, guys, I'm not taking them out of the package because this style blister packaging, it just doesn't, you can't take it out and put it back in the box. And I'm got these for sale, and please go on and buy a set over on my website. But here we go. Let's start here. This is the A version. As I said, there's only A through C on this because there is only 3 pieces. And you can even see here in the barcode, they give each one its own number. It has the 45120, which is the number of the set, and then they put a dash A for the first one, dash B, and dash C. Pretty nice. The A version is a 2018 International WorkStar Tanker Truck. It has gray painted wheels on this one, all around. The front wheel is a super single, and it is a lifted wheel. And then they made this one for the Pennsylvania DOT. You can see their logo right there, PennDOT right there on the door. And then there looks like a phone number right there you could call, and then see the WorkStar logo on the door. It's the only WorkStar in the set, but it is a nice one. There's also a roof beacon light up there so that people can see it. Marker lights, DOT striping, flammable. It has gasoline on the tank, so it's calling gasoline. There's a nice big warning sign right there. On the back, brake lights, clearance lights, another flammable hazmat placard, DOT striping. And then what it also has is, if you look, there is a door right there. I can't open it because of this, but it does open to reveal the valves and the hose hookups. Pretty cool. And on the hood, you can see the little handle to pull the hood open because it's a tilt hood. On the front, chrome grille with lots of black tampos. The headlights are not individual jewel style. They're just molded in and painted. And then right there, top center of the grille is the International logo. And the bumper is also painted. Actually, the grille is not chrome painted. It is painted in the gray. So it's just a simple gray, cheap work truck. WorkStars are work trucks. And then it's good that, our DOTs are buying the base models instead of all the flashy chrome. This is the B version. See in the item number, it's 45120-B. It's the first waste management piece in this set. It's also the first of the officially released waste management vehicles. It's a 2020 Mack Granite Dump Truck that is painted in white cab with green bed for waste management. The bed on this guy is all plastic. The wheels are white painted plastic with soft rubber tires. It's got a big waste management logo on the side of the bed and a waste management logo on the door. I'm not entirely sure why they made a waste management dump truck, but they did. Probably just another use for the waste management licensing. Those licenses are expensive, so it makes sense that they do their best to use them as much as possible. On the back of the truck, it has Mack branded mud flaps instead of Waste Management branded mud flaps, brake lights, and a backup light, and the tailgate does open. Front of the truck has a chrome grille, chrome bumper, and it says Mack right in the middle of it. Now this one does have individual jewel style headlights. Pretty nice. Hard plastic windows and a Mack Bulldog on the hood. A great second piece for this set. And this is the C version. See right there, 45120-C. And when they first came out with the Mack LR, they painted it a white cab and a waste management green bed. But they put no DOT stripes and they put no markings on it of any kind. Just brake lights, that kind of stuff. And everybody said, why didn't they just put waste management on it? And like I've been saying on lots and lots of Greenlight stuff, just wait for it. And here it is. It's all about licensing, it comes down to. It takes a while to get that licensing, and they wanted to get the truck out ASAP, so they just did the white and green plain, which still looks really nice. But here we go. It's got waste management tampoed on the lower window of the truck, and it has waste management on the bed. DOT striping and a truck number up there on top. Soft rubber tires, Mack in the front, Bulldog on the front, and painted headlights, painted grille, painted mirrors. Also painted wheels. There's no chrome on this one at all. Come to the back, well, I'll do it this way. You can see it has waste management logo on the mud flaps instead of Mack branded mud flaps. Round to the back, there's the waste management logo up high. DOT striping around that brake light, and they painted the rear bumper. They painted it yellow, and then they put lots of DOT striping on it. There's also brake lights and other tampos back there. In all, they did a really, really nice job graphicking this up, but it still needs a little more DOT marking and striping on it because it's not quite right. But it is still a very nice waste management truck that would fit with any of your waste management collection, or hey, just on a layout as a diorama with waste management going out to pick up the dumpsters. What we finally need is a dumpster for it to pick up. But the arms do work on that one, so if you could find one, you'd be ready to go. Now, that is SD Trucks Series 12, a great set of 3 Class 8 heavy-duty trucks, an International WorkStar, a Mack Granite, and a Mack LR refuge truck. Perfect for your collections, and they're for sale while supplies last over on my website, gltrucks.com. SD Trucks Series 12 is another great addition to any collection, either truck or garbage company collection. It has not just 1, but 2 waste management trucks in it that you need in your collections. Buy a set right now, while supplies last, over on my website, gltrucks.com. And watch out for a special one-time offer only available on gltrucks.com while supplies last. It takes quite a lot of time to keep this channel running, so please help me out by buying a set today and sponsoring me over on my Patreon page with the links down below. Smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more great diecast videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate each and every one of you way more than I can ever express. This is Logan, the 64th Gear Jammer Skeele, the founder of Advantage Diecast, and I'll be back soon with another episode of Toy Talk.